Seeing the Telegram error, this channel can't be displayed on your iPhone. It usually happens because of content filters, group limits, or regional blocks. In this video, I'll show you why it happens and how to fix it. Let's get started. Before trying out the solution, let's check the reason for this issue. This error usually appears if the channel was deleted or the channel is private and you are not a member, the channel is restricted by Telegram, or the channel violates Telegram policies. Solution 1. Check sensitive content filtering. Open any browser on your iPhone, then type www.telegram.com. Next, log in there. After that, go to Settings. Now tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down and enable Disable Filtering or Sensitive Content if available. Some groups are hidden due to content restrictions on iOS. Solution 2. Turn off VPN or proxy. Open iPhone settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap VPN. If you are using a VPN, then turn it off. Now open the Telegram app and tap Settings at the bottom right. Next, tap Data and Storage and scroll to the bottom. Then tap Proxy. Now disable any active proxy. VPNs or proxies can block channel access and trigger this error. Solution 3. Update Telegram app. Older versions of Telegram may fail to load certain channels. So, go to the App Store on your device, then search for Telegram and tap Update if available. It will clear temporary glitches and then check if it works. That's it for today. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more Telegram and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.